Hello praisers and savers, my name is Sandy and welcome back to my channel. Today we're heading to Publix. These deals are run from July the 19th and I believe to July the 25th, that's correct. So in this video today, it's going to be an all digital video, no paper coupons needed. As always, there is a printable breakdown in the description box. No need to print anything off. You can just pull it up on your phone in the store if you like. If you are new to my channel, welcome. Please make sure you like, share, and subscribe. Our first deal is on the Lysol wipes. This is on the 75 count Lysol wipes, and we're going to be getting these for $2.10 each. Now on the Publix app, we do have a Publix coupon for 75 cents. These Lysol wipes are buy one, get one free, so they'll be $3.60. We'll use that 75-cent coupon, the Publix coupon at the register. Your total will be $2.85. You'll then submit to IBOTTA for 75 cents. It's going to make these wipes after the Publix coupon and the IBOTTA rebate $2.10, and this is a really good deal because I believe the 30 count at Walmart are $2.10, and this is the 75 count. Sorry. The next deal is on this all detergent. Now these are the large bottles of all, or the large bags of all. This is the 88 fluid ounces of the bottles, and I think it's the 49 pack of the little packs of detergent. These are usually $12 and I think 20 cents. We're getting these buy one get one free, so each one will be $6.10. We do have an IBOTTA rebate for $1 back for each one, and this can be done up to 5 times if you choose, making each one just $5.10. The next deal is great. It's the color grabber. This is awesome if you just want to wash one load of clothes and not separate your whites and darks. But these are usually $3.29. They're on BOGO for $1.65. We have a 75-cent IBOTTA rebate, making these just 90 cents. And the reason I love this IBOTTA rebate to stock up on this deal is you can do this deal up to 5 times. So you can get each box for just 90 cents per box. If you are a reseller, these are great to put in for like $1.50 to resell in your stockpile. Now the next deal is something that we really don't get coupons for, but I like to put deals like this in my videos. But this is going to be on these Scripto lighters. These are usually about $5, but they're buy one get one free, making each lighter $2.50. Guys, we are upon hurricane season in the South, and so this is a great item to go ahead and put into your hurricane box, or just stock up for whatever. But $2.50 for these long lighters is a great deal to me. We have way too many of these in my house. I'm constantly buying them, so I'm glad they're on sale for this time. Guys, if you're loving these deals, please make sure that you smash that like button and click subscribe. Next deal is on this Mott's juice. My kids love these. These are the 6-pack of juice. And usually they are $4.29 each. Guys, I know it's July, but school is starting soon. So this is a stock up deal for me in my house to be able to have these for lunch boxes. These are buy one, get one free. So each 6-pack is going to be $2.15 each. My kiddos do not like the one that's the mix. They like the plain old apple juice. What about you guys? What type of juice does your children like? Let me know in the comments. Now the next deal is just a good deal, and I love these potatoes. These are on the Potato Inspirations. I love yellow potatoes. Yellow potatoes are my favorite, and I like to get these to put like in the crock pot with roast, or I'll take these and cut them in half and put them in a casserole dish with butter and salt and pepper and just bake them. Yummy, yummy. But these are usually $4.99 each. We're going to be getting these buy one, get one free for $2.50. And I did compare the prices on these, the organic ones to the regular ones. These are actually cheaper this week for the organic ones than just like the regular old potatoes. So good deal on that. All right, the next deal I have for you guys is on the Light Life hot dogs. All right, this is a vegan hot dog. I did not buy this. Not going to. We don't eat stuff like this. This is in the cold section in the produce area. So these are usually $4.99 for these packs of vegan hot dogs. They're buy one, get one free. So they'll be $2.50 each. And then on IBOTTA, we have a $1.50 IBOTTA rebate. So that's a high value IBOTTA rebate on this. So it's going to make these just $1 each. And there's a limit of 5. So if this is something you eat vegan food, you can go ahead and stock up on these. Making these just $1 each is a really good deal on this. Now the next deal I have is on these New England coffee K-Cups. K-Cups are expensive. Sometimes I get K-Cups. I'm spending $10, $11, $12 on K-Cups. So anytime I see a buy one, get one free deal on K-Cups, I pick these up. So these are usually $10.79, but we're going to be getting these for just $5.40 each. No coupons needed on these K-Cups. So that's a really awesome deal on these. What kind of coffee do you guys drink in your household? Let me know in the comments what you drink. We've been buying the whole bean coffee bags because we bought one of these type of machines that only use the whole bean. Now, this is my deal of the day. This is on the Kodiak Power Cakes. Okay, these are those protein mix for pancakes. So these are usually $6.89. They're on BOGO for $3.45. And then we have an IBOTTA rebate for $1.25. This is going to make these $2.20 per box. Then you can do this deal up to 5 times if you want. If you want to stock up on these. But $2.20 is great coming from $6.89 just for some pancake mix. $2.20 on those. To go with your pancakes, of course you need some Mrs. Butterworth's syrup. These are usually $4.30 for the syrup, and I'm running low on this. I was getting so many IBOTTA rebates, I believe, last summer on these, and I stocked up. But we're now down to our last bottle or 2. So these are buy one, get one free. They'll be $2.15 each on the Mrs. Butterworth. The log cabin syrup is also on sale. It's going to be the same deal on that. So if you like log cabin as opposed to Mrs. Butterworth, you could do that deal as well. So good deals on the syrup, just $2 that. So you can get some pancakes and some syrup for less than $5 for both. All right, the next deal is on the Bisquick pancake and you make biscuits with it. I make casseroles with the Bisquick mix. Do you guys use Bisquick? Do you guys make casseroles with these? I don't make pancakes out of it. I make I'll take it and mix it with my breakfast casseroles. So these are usually $6.39 for these. They're buy one, get one free. So each box is going to be $3.20. No coupons on this deal. It's just a good deal on this. It's a great thing to go ahead and stock up, especially, I know it's summertime, but of course those winter months are approaching, and that's when I'll be doing a lot of my baking. And so I'm going to go ahead and get a couple boxes of these to hold me over for the winter time. Now these Kellogg's are the big snacks, jumbo snacks, these Kellogg's jumbo snacks. These are a pretty good deal on these, just for $1.60 each. They're usually like $4.70 for these, and that's just way too high to pay for this, for these snacks. You're going to get them buy one, get one free, so each box is going to be $2.35. We have a 75-cent IBOTTA rebate on this, and you can do this deal up to 5 times. Always check your Kellogg's website. There's coupons on there, but I don't use paper coupons anymore. So with the BOGO and the 75-cent back from IBOTTA, these will be $1. We have a great deal on the old El Paso taco shells. We're going to be getting these for just 5 cents each, which is amazing. So these are usually $3.10 each. They're on BOGO, so you'll get them for $1.55. You're going to pick up 2 boxes. Your total will be $3.10. We have this $1 IBOTTA rebate when you buy 2. So that's going to come off. And then we also have an Publix coupon for $2 off when you buy two. So with that $2 off when you buy two and that $1 back from IBOTTA, your total is going to be 10 cents for 2 boxes of taco shells, or just 5 cents each. Awesome deal on these. Now the next deal I have for you is just, it's not really a deal, but I do like to stock up on these type of items. This is going to be on the Pillsbury items here. There may be coupons out there for the Pillsbury items, but I've used them, so I can't use them on this. But it's just good to have these stocked up in the pantry. If, you know, your kids say, hey, let's make some pancakes, some cupcakes, or some, you know, brownies or something. I like to have these on hand, especially on those rainy days. So these are a decent deal on these. You'll probably get, you know, a box of mix and the frosting for about, you know, together for about $3. So not a bad deal on these. Always have these on hand in the pantry. So the next deal is on hot sauce. This is my favorite hot sauce. This is on the Cholula hot sauce. I don't like Texas Pete or what was the other one? I don't even know what it's called. I don't like the other one, but this is my favorite, and these are $3.99 for the hot sauce. And so you're going to be getting these just for $2 each. Good deal on these. Nothing, you know, special, but, you know, decent deal on hot sauce if this is something that you need in your pantry, especially considering it's not Texas Pete or the other hot sauces. Like I said, I don't eat the other ones, so always trying to bring you guys practical deals on things that I eat in my house, because you know what, chances are if I'm eating it, you probably are eating it as well. Now the next deal is on the Mueller's pasta. I love these. These are the pot size ones. These are usually $1.91 each. No coupons to get on this, but you're going to be getting each box for just 95 cents. I love these because my kids, when they make spaghetti and stuff, this is just easier for them instead of breaking the pasta in half for them. So just 95 cents on these. As you guys know, that couponing comes in waves, and right now, since it's summertime, one of the waves is deodorant. LOL. So the Arm & Hammer deodorant, these are $2.99. They're BOGO. So each stick of Arm & Hammer deodorant is $1.50. This is a great time to stock up on deodorant. Also a great time to get school supplies, and I'm like, yeah, there's school supplies at Publix that are a decent deal, and so I wouldn't spend more than $3 on Crayola markers, and they've got them for less than $3. You've got the colored pencils, you've got big pens. Just look around shop. I like to pull up the Walmart app when I'm in different stores to compare the prices of what the original cost at Walmart is compared to when I'm out shopping. So this to me right here is cheaper, because at Walmart they're like $3.94 for these. So check out the school supplies section at your store. The only IBOTTA rebate I have on school supplies is going to be on some folders, some 5-star folders. I'm not picking those up. The next deal are on the fruit roll-ups. You know, my kids love these things, or they're just like box of sugar pretty much. These are $4.21 each. They're buy one, get one free. So each box is going to be $2.10. Nothing special about these, but like I said before, you've got school starting soon, and so, you know, you might want to stock up on some of them little snacks that you can throw inside of lunch boxes. Next deal is on the Smart Water. These are usually $3 for these. That's pretty expensive, but I do love Smart Water. And so these are going to be buy one, get one free. So each one is going to be $1.50. So I have been making my own bread at home since I got a bread maker for Mother's Day, because bread prices are just crazy. And when I make my own bread, my kids will eat the whole thing every time it comes out hot. So these are usually $4.05 for these. That's just, or $4.11, excuse me. But that's just too high to me for a loaf of bread. Like, you should be able to get a loaf of bread for like $1. But anyways, so these are going to be BOGO. So each loaf will be $2.05. And I would just rather make my own loaf than pay, you know, that amount of money for bread. Crazy to me. There aren't a ton of great ice cream or ice cream treats this week, but I'm going to pick these up. These are the big chippers. These are from Mayfield. They're usually $5.35, but they're buy one, get one free, so each box will be $2.67. I didn't think this was a bad deal on these, considering we don't have a lot of deals on ice cream this week. So the Yoplait and Go-Gurt products, these are going to be $1.80. They're usually $6.09 each. So we're going to be getting these buy one, get one free at $3.05. Picking up 2 boxes, your total will be $6.10. We do have this $1.50 coupon on the Publix app when you buy 2. And then after that $1.50 coupon from the Publix app, we're going to submit to IBOTTA for 50 cents per box, which, because we're buying 2, we're going to get back $2 from IBOTTA. Sorry, $1 back from IBOTTA. Your total after the $1.50 and the $1 from IBOTTA is going to be $3.60 or $1.80 per box of Go-Gurt. All right, next deal is on the Pillsbury. I'm actually going to be getting the crescent rolls because they are expensive at the store. We're going to be getting these for just $1.01 each. So these are buy one, get one free. We're going to be picking up 2 of them. So each one is $2.01. Picking up 2 of them, your total is $4.02. We have a $1 IBOTTA rebate. And then we also have a $1 Publix coupon. So with that $1 IBOTTA rebate and that $1 Publix coupon, it's going to make these $2.02 or $1.01 each on these. So good deal on these because they're super expensive. Alright guys, that is all I have for you. Please make sure that you like, share, subscribe, and also comment below your favorite deal of the day. It helps me a ton when you guys comment. It pushes my video out there to more people, and that means I can keep bringing you content as long as you guys are watching it. As always, please join me on my social media platforms, and don't forget about that printable breakdown in the description box. You can either print it off and take it to the store with you, or you can just pull it up on your phone. I'll see you guys next time when I head to Walmart or CVS.